Hi, I'm True Beauty expert David Pollack from JustAskDavid.com. And today I'm going to share with you how you can use lemon juice to get rid of freckles. First, let's talk about what causes freckles. Part of it is hereditary, well, whether you have light skin, whether you've got red hair, but the other part is going out in the sun. The sun reacts with the melanin or pigment in our skin and creates all these harmless dots, what we call freckles. But a lot of people want to get rid of them. Now you could use foundation or a BB cream to help hide them, but what you want to do is help minimize their appearance and then fade them and get rid of them using lemon juice. So I'm going to show you how. The first step is to exfoliate the dead skin cells that are tinted. So what I would suggest is take a handful of strawberries, a little bit of honey, and sugar, and mix them together to make your own exfoliating product or your own exfoliating cream. What I would do is mash up the strawberries, then pour in the honey and create like a gel or paste. Then add in the sugar, and the granulated sugar is going to act as the exfoliator, while the honey will work with the pH of the skin, and they'll exfoliate the freckles. Next, we want to use lemon juice. Just like lemon juice works on apples to help prevent them from browning, they'll actually react and inhibit the melanin from forming in your skin. So take some fresh lemons, squeeze them into a bowl, take a cotton ball, dip it in, wipe it all over the face, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and rinse away with cool water. If you'll do this every day, you'll see your freckles go away in no time. So again, you want to avoid the sun, use a sunscreen, exfoliate, and then follow with a fresh lemon juice every day, and you'll see your freckles go away. I'm True Beauty expert David Pollack. Until next time.